Dear all, welcome to the Department of Food Technology, St. Kitts College of Engineering Autonomous. My hearty congratulations and appreciation to my dear lucky students who decided to choose our institution and got admissions for our BTech Food Technology program. Myself, Dr. Girilal, head of the Department of Food Technology. The department was established in the year 2017, envisions continual education and research in the field of food technology and related areas. Apart from the academic side, our department is very strong in various research activities as well as consultancy works, and we have many MOUs with prime industrial sectors and universities. So I hope you will all get maximum benefits out of this as your internships, projects, and placement opportunities. So I hope you all have a life-cherishing experience at our department. Wishing you all the very best and enjoy studying here. Thank you.
It's a great pleasure to welcome all the young aspiring minds to the Department of Food Technology. Myself, Dr. Elsa Cherian, Associate Professor and Academic Coordinator of the department. BTech Food Technology curriculum is explicitly designed with specific courses and laboratory sessions covering a range of disciplines like food process engineering, engineering properties of food materials, food product development, food plant layout and equipment design, food packaging, food analysis and food safety management. For managing this, our department is operational with most modern sophisticated equipment and facilities under the guidance of resource persons from various disciplines under food technology. Let's utilize all the resources effectively. All the best.
Dear students, I welcome you all to the Department of Food Technology, St. Kitts College of Engineering. I am Dr. Anju K, Assistant Professor Senior. Food technology is a multifaceted field with numerous career opportunities such as food scientists, food engineers, food safety officers, quality control officers, food analysts, laboratory technicians, and food business operator. If you are looking to have a career in research and development, you can focus on safe and convenient food to the consumer, food waste management, food spoilage prevention, design and development of novel food products, innovative packaging technologies, etc. Here, we have a highly qualified, dedicated team of faculty members that provides you an outstanding environment to learn and explore new frontier in food technology. All the very best for your future. Thank you.
Hi, I am Daniel Paul, Assistant Professor, Food Technology in St. Kitts College of Engineering. So I welcome you all to the Department of Food Technology at St. Kitts College of Engineering. We do offer a lot of coaching classes and training for exams like GATE so that you can go for higher studies at very prominent and popular top ranked institutions in India like IITs, NIT, NIFTEN, IAFPT and other institutes also. All the best to a very big next step in your life. Thank you.
Hearty welcome to the Department of Food Technology. I am Rosamma, Assistant Professor and one of the Staff Advisor of the new batch 2021 to 2025. The graduates in food technology have excellent job prospects in India and abroad. There is a high demand for trained food professionals in government and private sector. They can choose their career in food processing companies like Nestle, ITC, Unilever, Britannia, Parle Agro to name a few. Working in a food industry is very challenging and provides a lot of good opportunities for the graduates to grow themselves in this area. We wish you all a joyful and fruitful learning experience here.
I am Anu Mary Sebastian, Lab Instructor. Welcome to Food Microbiology Lab. All the food microbiology related experiments are handled here. Next is the Food Processing and Preservation Lab. New product development related experiments are done here.
I am Achu John, Lab Instructor. Welcome to Food Analysis Lab. The purpose of Food Analysis Lab is to confirm the safety and quality of food product. The lab is well equipped for the students to perform various experiments related to food.
I am Rajesh Kumar, Lab Instructor, the Department of Food Technology. This is Engineering Properties Lab. Welcome to all. Here you can do engineering properties related experiments. This is unit operations laboratory. Welcome to all. Here you can do unit operations related experiments. For examples,